Don't put in the comment. We don't care.
Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Hey guys, Luke here, Tranquility Base Detailing. It is wax review time, so to Jamie, my good friend and dedicated critiquer of my work, and dedicate this one to you. We are, in today's video, going to be looking at Immaculate Reflection Sour Apples Hydro Hater. I feel like my dad doing that before he got glasses. I swear I can read. Sour Apples Hydro Hater, Hydrophobic and Oleophobic Handmade Car Wax. Oleophobic. No one knows. If you know if it's oleo or oleo, then just keep it to yourself. Yeah, don't put in the comment. We don't care. I mean, we kind of care, but anyway, let's crack on. We've got already a washed 3 series to put this on. If you want to see how it came to be so clean, then click on this link up here. But if not, then we'll jump into this. It's ready to go, and we'll see how it fares. Let's begin. Right, so instructions are 10 to 20 minute cure time. We're at minute 16 and it's ready to come off. So let's get it buffed. okay so far.
Thing is, when the limited amount of time I do wax, I don't mind a little bite when I'm buffing up. You know, because
yeah, it reassures you're actually doing something.
yeah, it feels like it's actually bonding. Do you know what I mean? I'm saying, but I don't want to break me up.
Yes. Indeed. that's the Immaculate Reflection Hydro Apple Oleophobic something wax. It's actually quite a little cracker. Nice wax to use. It's got a slight grab to it on application, and if you under cure it, it is there on removal, but once you do cure it properly, it comes off pretty nicely indeed. The finish on it is really nice. It's got a nice warmth to it, not quite as crisp as a sealant, but it does certainly have a nice sheen to it, and the water behaviour, as you saw, was actually really good. The beads on that were fantastic. So for me, a nice wax. I've enjoyed using waxes from this company before, and this one's no different. They are not on the cheaper side, they are a little bit more on the premium as far as cost is concerned. However, I think there is good value for money there, and if you do scoop one of these up, I think you'll like it. The presentation, like I've always said with this manufacturer, is on point. They really do run well with that candy shop theme, and they stick through that without, in terms of how they post it out to you, the bag it comes in, all of this. So all in all, really nice wax from them. I look forward to see what they keep producing, because they keep going from strength to strength in my experience, and we'll see what comes from them soon. I'll drop the links to this wax below, so if you are interested in trying it, do. I think you'll like it, and then let me know what you think in the comment section down below. It's really bright. That's better. If you like this video, if you made it this far, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Do hit that subscribe button if not already. For 2021, our target is to hit 10,000 subscribers, so if you can help us with that, we're more than grateful. And as always, we'll see you soon on the next video. Take care.